Inglaflow. Flow with English.
Hi, Tom. It's so nice to see you again.
Hey, Emma. Nice to see you too. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Just a little tired. I had a busy morning.
Oh, really? What did you do?
I helped my brother move to his new apartment.
That sounds tiring. You deserve a good coffee.
Yes, I really need one right now.
Let's find a table.
Sure, this one near the window looks nice.
Perfect. I like the sunlight here.
Wow, there are so many choices.
Yes, they have coffee, tea, juice, and smoothies.
I think I'll get a cappuccino.
Good choice. I love cappuccino. I might try a latte today.
Do you want something to eat too?
Maybe. Let me check the desserts. They have chocolate cake!
That sounds delicious.
Yes, I'll take one slice. What about you?
I'll have a muffin, maybe blueberry.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'll have a latte and one slice of chocolate cake.
And I'll have a cappuccino and a blueberry muffin, please.
Great. Would you like your drinks hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Same for me.
Thank you. I'll bring them in a few minutes.
I really like this cafe. It's quiet and cozy.
Yes, and the music is nice too.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I usually come on weekends. They have good Wi-Fi and nice coffee.
That's great. Maybe I'll start coming here to study.
Good idea. They don't mind if people stay long.
Here you go. 1 latte, 1 cappuccino, chocolate cake, and a blueberry muffin.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. This cake is amazing.
Really? Let me try a little.
Sure. Just a small piece.
Wow, it's so good. I'll order that next time.
And your muffin looks nice too.
Yeah, it's fresh and soft.
So, what are your plans for the weekend?
Not much. Maybe I'll watch a movie tonight.
Oh, what movie?
Maybe something funny. I had a long week.
I know the feeling. I might go to the park tomorrow.
That sounds relaxing.
I think it's time to pay.
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
Oh, you don't have to.
It's okay. My treat. You can get the next one.
That's really nice of you. Thank you, Tom.
No problem.
Here's your bill. 1 latte, 1 cappuccino, a muffin, and a cake.
Great. How much is it?
That'll be $15.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks. Let's go?
That was a nice coffee break.
Yes, I really enjoyed it. Let's do this again next week.
Sure. Maybe next time we can try a new cafe.
Sounds great. See you soon, Emma.
Bye, Tom.
Bye.
Inglaflow. Flow with English.